Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to solve one of the questions which came in the last year, and it's very important question for the exam point of view. The question number 18, yeah, for CSSE 2024. So CSSE 2024 and the question number 18, very important questions, yeah. So it says uh Judy, Anna, Dean, and Fahad all think all think of a number of a number. So Judy, Anna, Dean, Fahad all think a number. So Judy and Anna numbers add up to 28. And the next line is Dean and Fahad numbers add up to 50. Yeah. So Judy, Anna, Dean, and Fahad all think a number. And the second line, Judy and Anna numbers add up to 28. Dean and Fahad number add up to 50. Now, statement says Dean's number, Dean numbers is twice as large as Judy's. So the Dean numbers is twice as large Judy's, and Fahad's number is 50%. Fahad numbers is 50% bigger. 50% bigger than Anna's. So the question is what? Find Judy number, find Judy number, and find Anna number. Okay. So this is the question. Okay, it's very important question with the exam point of view, and you read the questions carefully. So it says Judy, Anna, Dean, and Fahad. Okay, so there are 4 persons. Okay, and all think of a number. Okay, so number, as I explained you yesterday about, the any number is unknown, so it means these type of the questions going to be solved by x or y or maybe equation. Okay, so what we're going to do it. Okay, so go for the second line. It says Judy and Anna numbers add up to 28. Okay, so what I'm going to do first things. Okay, so I can assume what? So Judy, if I assume Judy is x and Anna is y, yeah, and the sum of Judy and Anna's number equal to 28. So what can I do? Very simple. I can write x plus y equal to 28. Yeah. So this is the first statement. Okay. It says Judy and Anna numbers add up to 28. So this is our equation number 1. I can write here equation number 1. And go back for the second statement. It says Dean and Fahad number add up to 50. Yeah. But further information, they say Dean's number is twice as large of Judy. So whatever the Judy number, okay. For example, if Judy is number 2, okay, so the Dean's number will be double, okay. So if this is Judy number, so the Dean will be 4. If Judy is 1, so the Dean will be 2. Okay. So how we write this one? Okay. So I can write what? Dean. Okay. So it means Judy is X. So what is Dean? Okay. So I say Dean's number is twice as large as Judy's number. So Judy's number is X. So the Dean number will be double. So I can make it 2x. Yeah. And same as if you go further, it says and Fahad number is 50% bigger than Anna's number. Yeah. What is the Anna's number is? Okay. Y. Okay. So it means if I say that what? Say Anna number is 1. Okay. So the Fahad number will be 50% more. So I can do 1.5. Yeah. So whatever Anna is number, so it is 50% more from the Anna. Okay. Same as if, okay. So it means if Anna number is 2. Okay. So the 50% of 2 is what? 1. Okay. So the Anna will be what? Okay. 3. So what we're going to do it, okay. So we can write here Fahad and Anna number is Y here. So the Fahad is 50%. It says 50% bigger than Anna. Okay. So what I can do it, I can do 1.5 Y. Yeah. So this is now we can write, it says Dean and Fahad. So instead of we can write Dean and Fahad, so Dean equal to 2x, so we can write 2x. And the Fahad is 1.5y equal to the sum up to 50. This is your equation number 2. Okay. So this is equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. Yeah. So it means this is the question of simultaneous equation. Yeah. So go back my last video and check the simultaneous equation, how to solve the simultaneous equation. So as per the information, we just create 2 equations. The first equation with Judy and Anna, yeah, and we assume Judy is X and Anna is Y. Very simple, and sum of 28. And Dean and Fahad add up to the 50, okay, but also additional information about the Dean's number is twice as large of Judy's. So instead of X, I can put here 2x, so double of Judy. Yeah, so whatever the Judy's number, so it should be the double for the Dean, which is 2x. Same as Fahad. Okay, so Fahad number is, it says what? 50% bigger than Anna's number. Whatever the number for Anna, okay, is a 50% more. So what I did, okay, is Anna is 1. So it means 50%, 50% convert, okay, into decimal is 0.5, okay. So it means the Fahad number will be 1.5, okay. So now, very simple. If you know about simultaneous equation, so we need to find the value of x and y. X and y means we can find the Judy amount and Anna amount, okay. So same as this is the equation number 1 and equation number 2, okay. How we solve this one? So we need to make the same variable, okay, because the variable values is 2x here, is x here. So what we're going to do it, okay. So if I multiply what? Multiply equation number 1, okay, with 2, okay. So why I multiply with the equation number 2? Because I need to make the same value, okay, because here is 2x, okay. So what I'm going to do is x plus y equal to 28, and so I'm going to multiply this one with 2. So look at this one. 2 times x is what? 2x plus 2y equal to 28 times 2 is what? 56. Yeah. This is called equation number 3. So now this is equation number 3 and this is the equation number 2. Look at this one, because here is 2x and also here is 2x as well, okay. So we make the same value, okay, because simultaneous equation says, okay, you need to cancel, okay, one of the variable and find the value of other variable, okay. So I need more space, so I'm going to uh, delete here, okay. So I can work out here. So if I'm going to do what, I can rewrite what, the equation number 3, which is 2x plus 2y equal to 56, yeah. And the equation number 2 is 2x 1.5 y equal to 50, yeah. And what we're going to do it, okay, so subtract equation number 3 from the equation number 2. So what we're going to do it, okay, so we need to change the sign for the equation number 2. Is going to be changed, is positive, is going to be negative, this one is negative and this one is also negative. 2x positive cancel with negative, so 2y cancel with 1.5y, so you will get only 0.5y, and 56 take a 50 is what, 6, and you learn about how to find the y value. So divide by 0.5 both side, this one cancel with this, and the y equal to, okay, 12. So it means who is the y, okay, y is Anna, yeah. So Anna is, amount is 12. Very simple. The total amount Judy and Anna sum is 28. So 28 take away 12 for the Anna amount is 16, which is equal to x. And who is the x, okay? So the x will be what? So the x will be Judy. So it means, so Anna number is 16 and sorry, Ana number is 12 and the Judy number is 16, and sum of Anna and Judy number equal to 28. That's it for today, and this is the question, totally, uh, the concepts of algebraic equations, okay, how to make the equations and how to solve the simultaneous equation. So this is all about, today's video. So if you have any question about this question, so please you may leave your message in a comment section, and please uh, like this video and share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And before I leave, if you need any help and support for 11 plus, don't hesitate to contact me, okay? So my number is here for you, okay? Thank you. Bye bye.